Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Oh my gosh, it has been a really long time since I've actually sat down and created a video for you guys. So today I'm going to be showing you guys some of my new products from Boxy and kind of just chit-chatting with you guys. So first I'm going to go ahead and prime my face using my Tatcha Liquid Silk Canvas. I just put way too much of this on. Like, I feel like I look like I have sunscreen on. Okay, so for like the 15th time, Boxy has given me yet another eyebrow pencil. Quite honestly, you guys, I do not need all these eyebrow pencils. Like, every box there's an eyebrow product and I'm just like, okay. This one is by Billion Dollar Brows and this is in the shade Taupe. It's a micro pencil, which I really do like. NYX had a nice micro type of pencil that was really cool, but it broke off every time I used it. So let's see. I mean, doesn't look too bad, so I'm gonna go ahead and use this. I just have not had the motivation, I guess you would say, to film a video, but as of lately I've been trying to put myself in a better mind space and really understand, like, sis, if you stop putting out content, no one's gonna subscribe to your channel. What are they coming for? Why do we want to watch you? And I've never wanted to be one of those people. Like, if you guys saw my quitting YouTube video, I definitely said that I wasn't gonna be one of those type of people that just leaves you high and dry. I've just been like just living, like, you know, girl, I don't know, but I just have not been feeling makeup. Like, when I do my brows, when I do my eye looks, I just be like, why does this just feel so basic to me? I'm gonna go back to one of my foundations that I love to mix, but I haven't tried it by itself in a long time. So I'm gonna be using my Milk Blurring Liquid Foundation, and this one is in the shade Tan. While I've been away, you guys, I've been like binge watching like every single show that I've ever thought that I wanted to watch. I started watching. So I just finished RuPaul's Drag Race and I just finished season 7. So now I'm going to RuPaul's All Stars. And I'm just like, wow, I had a lot of stuff to catch up on. And you guys, Baby Servant looks like, I'm like, why am I just now starting to watch this show? Like, it is a really good show. Like, oh my gosh. I actually just started watching it maybe 2 weeks ago and I'm already on season 7. And I go through the entire season. Like, I'm talking about meeting the girls and then even watching the actual after shows and stuff like that. Like, I'm in it. So another thing that I got from one of my Boxy charms that I actually did not show you guys because I just felt like it was so underwhelming, but I got this heart-shaped tape glow on and I really don't even like it that much. It's very liquidy in my opinion. But I was trying to use it with just my face, like, you know, no foundation or anything. I thought it would give me like a nice, you know, healthy, effortless glow, which it didn't. So I'm gonna give it a chance with some actual foundation underneath, and maybe that's what she needs. Maybe she glows on top of other products. While we wait for this to dry down a little bit more, I want to know what you guys are into lately. Like, I feel like seeing someone be as normal as you is just a little bit more entertaining nowadays. I think maybe because we're all still, some of us are still a little bit more isolated from, you know, the crowds and things like that. So I feel like, you know, just seeing what people do on those regular days is just a little bit more entertaining. My vlog that just went up for us going to San Diego, sis, that's like a whole month and like 8 minutes. Do you guys see this glow that it's giving my under eye area? Like, it looks sweaty under there, sis. I don't like this. So I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna just try to set it with some Laura Mercier setting powder, and hopefully this can kind of, you know, tone all that shine down. I don't want to be rude and all, but like, kids between the age of like 6 and like 13, like, no offense, they think they know everything and they don't know anything, but then they're also like old enough to talk back, and it just be like, who are you talking to? These kids come and knock on my door asking me if I got some Elmer's glue. Why would I have some Elmer's glue? Like, you guys are the ones who are in school. Like, why don't you have glue? Why would I have glue? I'm grown, baby, sorry. And the little girl goes, why you can't open the door? Whose kid is this? It's COVID, so I'm not opening the door. Also, no reason for me to open the door because I don't got no glue for y'all. Get off my porch. Okay, so in my Boxy charm for, I believe, June, I got this palette, and this is the Cab palette. It actually might have been May because I think June was the skincare. So in May, I got this eyeshadow palette here. super cute. I'm actually gonna be filming 2 videos today, so this is going to be a look for one of the videos that I'm about to film. And I don't really even know where I'm going with this look today. I'm just kind of doing just whatever comes to mind. I don't follow the shade room, right? But I always find myself looking at the shade room. And it's a reason I don't follow them, because I don't want all that trash on my timeline, but I find myself every day going to the shade room. It's definitely entertainment. It's so messy, sis, but it's just like, it's toxic. And I find myself being toxic, going straight to the comments like, what y'all said about this? And I'm just like, why do I do that? No positive like purpose to go straight to the comments. Why do I want to see y'all drag people? I think it's because we be thinking the same thing, but like, y'all be going ham in the comments. And sometimes that's why the comments be the best thing to look at, but it's toxic. Like, I know it's toxic. That's my toxic trait, I guess. Like, it's some people out here, y'all need to stop bothering them. They just be living their lives. Like Queen Naija. Y'all be bothering that girl. Y'all say anything about whatever she do. They was mad that she cut her son's hair. And the other one had hair. And they were like, well, you said you cut his hair because it was too much to tame. And now this one got a hair full of hair. And it's just like, so what does that have to do with you? And then she made a song, I guess. The song was, I guess, her talking to her past self about, you know, her worth and all that kind of stuff. And then somebody tried to cover her talking about, girl, bitch, you got a BBL. What is you talking about? What is you talking about? What do a BBL have to do with anything, sis? As people stop trying to look to celebrities that are in the same position as us, sometimes maybe even worse, for affirmations. Like, you know, when Meg decided that she was gonna do the whole hot girl summer thing, everybody was on board. Everybody was like, ooh, hot girl summer, hot girl summer, hot girl summer. But when Meg got a boyfriend, everybody was like, so what is we supposed to do now? Live your life. Why is y'all acting like, unless a celebrity tells you that you have to do something, you can't do it? Like the thing with the Birkin bags. Why do you have to only be solidified and loved if you have a Birkin bag? I don't understand. Half these girls that got the Birkin bags getting cheated on. Social media is a hell of a drug. Oh my gosh, speaking of which, when Safari said that a marriage makes everything more extra than it needs to be, what he said, everything more complicated than it needs to be, I was just like, oh yeah, y'all crazy. Like, why would you, I don't know what people think marriage is. I never heard nobody say marriage was easy. So for him to have gotten married and had 2 kids now and sitting here talking about marriage is just not it. It is just harder than it needs to be. Maybe you're just childish, sir. Maybe you're just not husband material, okay? But it puts it in the atmosphere that marriage is just pointless. I don't think marriage is pointless. That's my opinion though. I don't think marriage is pointless. I personally am definitely looking forward to getting married. I'm watching The Chi. They got an open marriage. And that, ooh, Emmett is going through it. And guess what? Emmett is getting what he gave out. And on the last episode, sis was like, I don't want to change the arrangement. like, I don't want to go back to just a, you know, exclusive marriage. And that's where I'm just like, couldn't be me. It just couldn't be me. I'm going to show you guys one of the products that I purchased that I am in love with so far. I love this. This is the Maybelline Sky High Mascara. And when I say this mascara does everything for the lashes, it does everything. So it's like everything. So I'm going to go ahead and put on a few coats of this. Oh no! I was supposed to use this brand new palette that I got from Boxy to do my contour. Oh, okay, let me show you guys. So it is an Alamar Cosmetics palette, and this one is the Hydrating Complexion Trio. So I think these colors are so cute. I haven't used it. I think I'm gonna actually just go ahead and try to pop it on top of what I'm doing right now. Hold on. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna take this middle color that is called Cinnamon Sugar. Ooh, what this? Oh my gosh, I really didn't have to use the other 2 contours that I used. I could have just used this. Wow, this is so cute. Oh my gosh, I wish I could start all over. We're gonna see if that highlights, oh yeah. Oh wow. Yes it does, sis. Yes ma'am. Look at that. I can see a difference. So another thing that we got is this Grande Glow Plumping Liquid Highlighter. I don't know at all what a plumping highlighter would do. Like, is it gonna make my face plump, or is it just like the name? Is that just what they're calling it? I have no idea. So, wow. Is this lip gloss? No, it can't be. It says it's a highlighter. It's really pretty. Oh, wow. This is like, what color is this? Gilded Rose. So I'm gonna take my beauty blender. I'm gonna kind of squeeze it a little bit. Okay, so wait, I'm kind of nervous because what's the plumping part? Like, where does that come? And so I feel my hand tingling. Like the back of my hand just got a little tingling sensation. I'm gonna take what's on my finger and put it there. I'm scared because what if my lip starts plumping up, or what if my cheeks plump up? Like, what is the plumping part of this product? I don't understand. Back to the mascara. I'm gonna show you guys me using this mascara. I love the wand on this. I think that's why I really like this mascara, because these type of wands make your eyelashes not clump up, in my opinion. The other ones, because there's just like no room to like wiggle it through, I feel like that causes my lashes to be clumpy AF. And this didn't do that. It definitely elongated all of the lashes. Oh my gosh. My lip is tingling. I don't have the box of directions, so I really don't know how this product should have been used. That is literally one coat of mascara, and this is like already super long. So I already naturally have long eyelashes, so I do want to state that like this mascara is absolutely worth all the hype. I remember at a certain point this was completely sold out because it was like going viral on TikTok, and it is everything. Like, it is everything. Alrighty guys, and here is the finished look. Oh my gosh, my top lip is on fire. Like, it literally feels like it's sweating. But I don't know what I was talking about. Like, when I go back and I edit this, I'm gonna be like, girl, what is you talking about? Like, I'm sure none of the conversations meshed into one, but I hope you guys enjoyed hearing me just kind of talk a little bit, ramble a little here and there, and enjoying just seeing some new content from me. But that is it for this video. I thank you guys so much for watching. Wait, what do I say? It's been so long, you guys. I haven't said my little phrase in forever. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys want to recreate this look, or maybe even try out some of these products. If I talked about any topic that you guys felt like you guys want to get your 2 cents on, sis, drop it down in the comments section, because I love interacting and talking to you guys. If you haven't, please make sure to subscribe to my channel. I do post every Tuesday and Friday, but if you can't remember that, it is all good. Just hit that notification bell and you will get notified every time I post a video. I hope you guys are ready to see a comeback, and I will see you guys in my next video. Peace.